Pi core team about the open mainnet. We control the open network launch date. That lets us avoid launching at a time when global factors might harm crypto and traditional business ecosystems. While we don't anticipate any such events currently, we won't ignore them either. We will work to ensure our launch is timed for the best results for the network. Elena, the Pi core team has recently provided insights into their approach towards the launch of the open mainnet, emphasizing their deliberate control over the launch date. This strategic decision aims to mitigate potential risks from global economic factors that could adversely impact both the cryptocurrency and traditional business ecosystems. While no specific events are currently anticipated, the team remains vigilant, ensuring that the launch is strategically timed to maximize benefits for the network. Understanding PiNetwork's journey to open mainnet. The journey towards transitioning to an open mainnet marks a significant milestone for PiNetwork, a decentralized cryptocurrency project that has garnered attention for its innovative approach to mining and user engagement. With over insert current number million users globally, PiNetwork has built a robust community of pioneers who actively participate in securing the network and contributing to its growth. The role of Pi core team in decision-making. Led by a dedicated team of developers and blockchain experts, the Pi core team plays a pivotal role in shaping the future of PiNetwork. Their decision-making process regarding the timing of the open mainnet launch reflects a careful consideration of various factors, including technological readiness, market conditions, and global economic stability. Strategic timing for optimal results. In their statement, the Pi core team underscores the importance of strategic timing to avoid launching during periods of potential market volatility or economic uncertainty. By exercising control over the launch date, they aim to minimize risks and enhance the network's resilience against external pressures, managing global risks and economic factors. The global economic landscape can significantly impact the cryptocurrency market, affecting everything from investor sentiment to regulatory developments. Pi core team's proactive stance in monitoring these factors demonstrates their commitment to safeguarding the interests of PiNetwork stakeholders. Commitment to network success. Beyond ensuring a timely launch, the Pi core team is committed to preparing the ecosystem for sustained growth post-open mainnet. This includes optimizing network infrastructure, enhancing user experience, and fostering partnerships that expand PiNetwork's utility and adoption. Building a resilient crypto ecosystem. PiNetwork's vision extends beyond creating a digital currency. It aims to foster a resilient crypto ecosystem that empowers individuals globally. The open mainnet launch represents a crucial step towards realizing this vision, offering new opportunities for businesses, developers, and users to participate in a decentralized economy. In conclusion, PiNetwork's decision to control the open mainnet launch date underscores its strategic approach to navigating the complexities of the global cryptocurrency landscape. By prioritizing stability, security, and growth, the Pi core team is paving the way for a sustainable and inclusive digital future. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.